please. Before we start, search IQcodec on YouTube. Click on the like and subscribe button. Remember to activate the bell to stay tuned with our latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome back on this new video presented by IQcodec, and we all wish you a happy new year 2020. So in today's video, actually this video is dedicated to Mr. Thomas and Mr. Jeva, which they actually had a question that, bro, we want to see other people's status without letting them know we viewed that. They should not be our name in their viewer list. And Mr. Jeva said, can we look other status without knowing them in this provision? If yes, how? Please reply. So actually this video is for them. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how to view your contact status without letting them know that you view their status, without getting them in the view status list. So what do I mean? Something like this. You can see if I come, actually here I have a status, so you can see here is a view list. So in this video I'm going to show how you can view a friend status without getting him seen in the view status list. So please, if it's your first time on this channel, click on the subscribe button, because I can actually see we are heading to 1,000 subscribers before the end of this year. So please, we are counting on you guys for that. So before we start the video, make sure you have the latest mode of WhatsApp installed on your device. If you don't have it, please, we already made a video on that on our channel, which you can actually try any version. You can use GB WhatsApp, the 8.25 version, or you go in for the WhatsApp Plus 8.25. All is that it should be a modded version. As you can see in here, I'm using the WhatsApp Plus. The latest version of WhatsApp Plus is the 8.25. So to do this, actually simple. What you do to do is that you need to go on your settings. So you can see here your chat, hit on the setting. So what I'm take a look, so you can see plus setting. If it's GB, you just need to click on the GB setting. Is all of them are actually similar. So click on the plus setting. I'm going to get this window. So let me see if I can increase this for you guys. So actually, it's what I'm talking about. So you just need to scroll and hit on the privacy and security. This is for the WhatsApp Plus, which is the 2020 version. So you just need to scroll down, and please note where I'm going to. So you can see here we have the hide view status list. So let us try to disable this and show what I mean. So it is disabled, and let us see. So let's take for instance that this phone. So this is a principal phone that I'm going to, let us say I want to post a status on my, I'm going to say how. Let us see if I say how on my status and I send it, let us see what will happen. So if you take a note, my status had been sent and I have 0 views, 1 view already, which is not my contact. So let us see if I try to view the status. So here is this. Let me see. I can also see I've viewed the status. So you can see immediately here we have 2 view, and if you hit on the 2 view, I'm going to see that the second view, I'm the one which is la free zone, which is my WhatsApp account, and this is because I have viewed the status. And if I say hi, let us see, I'm going to reply at the status. So you can see I've replied at the status, which is my account. So right now I want to do in such a way that I'll be able to see this status without without appearing in this list. So let us get into it. You're going to hit on this button, plus setting or GB setting if you're using the GB WhatsApp, privacy and security, and it's very simple. Just turn on the hide view status. So hide view status, turn it on, and that is done. The magic is done. So let us try right now. So let me try and update my status. Let me say I'm going to say hello. Right, let me say hello and send the hello. Let us see what it's going to say. So hello is actually already on my status. So let me now see if I view the status. Let me see. Here it is, hello. So let me try and view it. So you can see I've actually viewed the status. And if you take a look at this, it is at 0 views, but I have already viewed the status. So you can see what I'm talking about. You can see you have no view on the status. So right now let me reply to the status and see what you guys are going to see. So I'm going to say POP and hit on the send, and you can actually see I've replied at this status without actually saying it. So this person is going to be surprised that how come I reply to the status but I am not on the status list. Since right now Jila Boris, I'm not the one, is a friend, so you can see I'm not on the status list. And that was all about this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please hit on the subscribe button to encourage us to keep on giving you more hacks and tricks on Android and on your PC devices. Have a nice and happy new year 2020. See you next on IQcodec. Bye.